Hey traders, thank you for joining me. Let's take a look at Letto Channels and how it behaved on the 26th of January. Alright, so let's start with live cattle. Yes, live cattle. Who doesn't like a good steak, right? Well, find out what your prices are going to be. So here's live cattle yesterday. This is on the 26th of January. You go short here, your stop is right up there at that point, and you get a 1-to-1 reward to risk, but it does not reach the midline. So I'll give you that. Let's call it a break-even trade. Now here is a loss unless you re-enter on a strong push off of uh, the overbought area. So this is Letto Channels overbought zone. And you can see that we go short here and we do take a stop at the red line if you're following that method. The other option is to trade a reversal trade on a red line breakdown. So here's a red line sell signal. Big push down out of the overbought region, and that is certainly a winner. Almost goes what I call rail to rail. Going short here, you'd put your stop at the high of that candle, so it's a $90 stop. You would have hit target at 250, which is the midline. Had you held on, I think the market comes back up here by the end of the day. So the total move could have been 570, but the target one is the midline. So let's put you back here. So you had, let's call it 2 stop outs and an entry on a reversal. So you're down, if this was a break-even trade, and then let's go here with a stop out of $60. And if we do call this a loss, that's another $50. So we had $110 in loss on the first 2 trades. And then a re-entry on a red line breakdown, pulled in 250. So we're up, 140 on live cattle. If my math is right, please check me. Now take a look at the YM yesterday. Now this is early morning. The YM has been sleepy all yesterday. So if we go short here, now this is a Letto channel overbought level, this red dot. We go here and we're immediately stopped out for a loss of 35. If we go short right here at this blue diamond, our stop is way up here, $50 stop, but our target is achieved right there, the midline again, 165. So we lost 35 on the first trade, pulled in 165, so we're up 130 on the YM. Now here is an interesting situation. We go on a Now we don't get the blue diamond signal, and that's okay. We go and we buy at the oversold channel. This is the green level. If we bought right here, our stop would have been right there, roughly $75 stop. Never touches the stop. If we go long, we're in the money, 155. So creative trading, you probably would have gotten out at least break even. If not, certainly pulled in a couple dollars of profit there. If you entered on the long breakout here, that was a stop. 2 out of 3 trades and still come out ahead because our reward to risk is so high. That's the key. You have a really good reward to risk. Your reward in this case is, let's say our risk here was 75 and we pulled in 287, so whatever that multiple is, that's our reward to risk. Okay, and I don't think it did much the rest of the time here. It's been kind of, the ES has been meandering. Now if you follow equities, if you're a stock trader or interested in that, take a look at what happened in Apple yesterday. Now this is the 26th. Going short right here in Apple. This is our stop, 40-cent stop. We never hit it. Instead, we do achieve a dollar. So 40 cents risk to a dollar gain. So you're at 2.5 to 1 on that trade. From this short here, from the first short, right, we do hit our stop right in that area. So it is a 77-cent win. 40-cent risk, 77, it's almost 2 to 1 on the Apple short. Let's take a look at Tesla. and that pulls in at the end of the day. We do get up to $1.25, so almost 1.5 to 1 roughly. Now Meta, let's see what Zuckerberg is doing. Beautiful setup right here. Our risk is $1.18 in Meta. Immediately the price comes down, moves to 333 in our favor, so it's almost a 2 to 1. All right, 2.5 or so. Now here's a short entry. Would have gone short right there and probably stopped. You know, target, certainly that's not too outlandish to pull an exit when you're breaking down in this area. Our official exit would have been in this region. 91-cent risk, $1.07 gain. So that's a little over 1 to 1. And that's about it. So wins and losses, certainly. We're not going to be, no system is going to pull in 100% of the time. These are some extraordinary markets. We are breaking out to new highs, new lows. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Couple wins and losses, we come out ahead. Have a great day, and feel free to email me, ask any questions you've got, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see a specific market. Be happy to show you what's going on in the market of your choice. All right. Thanks again. Have a good day.